I watched a video about YouTube's algorithms, and maybe I've confused YouTube, and maybe I've even confused you by sharing too many topics. I'll add a video about one topic and I'll get a lot of subscribers. Then I add a video about another topic and the subscribers drop. So to clarify for you and for YouTube, my channel is about three things. First, there's my Sprinter van conversion. That was the original topic. Second, there's my dog Maple, an amputee German Shepherd that I adopted about a year ago. Long story short, she basically has no feet, but she has custom prosthetics, and she's really an inspiration for all of us. Third, I'm flipping a house with an old high school friend. My friend wants to remain anonymous, so we've cartoonized her. So that was easy, YouTube algorithm, a van, a dog, and a house flip. But seriously, for all of you, the content that I post is a reflection of my values and my interests. If you also value these same things or you enjoy these same activities, then hit that subscribe button and watch as Maple takes training toward her therapy dog certification. Or watch Diane and I complete this 1950s house flip. And in the spring, when I'm done with the house flip, stay tuned for how-to videos when I return to the van build work.